Crafty Friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa. Today I have some ScrapDiva Designs projects to share with you guys. We are playing with the Santa Book Memorydex die set. It is available now at ScrapDivaDesigns.com. We are going to stamp one up, but I wanted to give you guys some ideas. I did make some stamped and not stamped. So this is my stamped Santa list. Memorydex is what I'm calling it. I took Heidi Swap stamps and kind of stamped around. I think those were the only ones that I used. I do have a lot of different Christmas stamps. These were just the ones that I got out that were in my stash, like easy access, because I have them all put away right now. I still haven't pulled them out. But I also pulled out this cute little Santa guy. He is from Cottage Cutz. I think I put him away already. And I thought it'd be cute to have him like at the top of the book. But I stamped all weird, I guess you could say. It's not weird, but the way I stamped it, I didn't like where I put him in the center, so that's why I brought him down a little bit further, and I ended up covering some stuff over here, but it's okay. And then the two little presents come from the die set, so of course I include them there. The little flowers are from Erica's Mini Flower. I had this older set that had a bunch of different flowers, so I've been pulling them out to use the little poinsettia and then this little flower. And then I have these little centers that are Michael's brand. And then I don't know where I found this die set, you guys, but I have a little tea die set. Might be Ellie, I don't know. I have them in a little folder. But as you can see right here, I have this tiny little tag. And so it worked out perfect to stamp it up. And I have this word from one of Heidi Swap's stamps that was small enough to fit in there. And then I hand wrote the from. So I was able to kind of like label them on there, and I thought it was so cute. But that's what I ended up doing with it. I did add the Santa list, the wish list there that comes with the die set as well. And so I just wanted to kind of give you guys an idea of like a stamped version. And then of course I had to go with the Halloween version. I love this one. I fussy cut out a bunch of stuff, but my eyes were hurting and it was late at night, so I had to stop and start on in the morning when I had more daylight. It really sucks getting old. Anywho, I double layered up the pages, and then on this one I decided to add some vellum, and so that's where I did the stitching down the middle because I thought it'd be cute to add them. And then this collection is called, I think it's called Happy Halloween, no, Happy Haunt, something like that. It's a die cut with the view, but I don't think it's available anymore, and they don't have the digital collection. So I used some scraps and some of the cut aparts I had sitting there, and so I thought it'd be perfect to add them. I did pull out the little 6x6 book that I had, and I made some little flowers, and then I added a little witch charm. I also pulled out Erica's broom die set. They're shakers, but I just used the broom and then realized that it was going to get covered, and I did put a flower in there, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. So that is my fun little Memorydex, but I thought it'd be fun to show you guys a stamped one. Here are a couple sets of stamps, well, quite a few. I pulled out some Heidi Swap sets. I don't know if they're still available, but I'll link them as much as I can in the description box. I just pulled out some that I think will be really good to stamp up on this. I found this one is an Erica Rose. I think she closed her shop. Yeah, because I had ordered two, but I only got one. I don't know if she sold out or what, but I was kind of bummed about that because I really like the Christmas. This is a Paper Person shop. I don't know if they did one for Halloween this year, but I gotta go check. I'm slacking. I did pick up Heba's new ones. I really like them. I'm gonna play around with these and kind of make it a little hip type of stamping little book. And then I, of course, Ellie Studio, love theirs. Words. And then I did pull out some of my old Studio Calico sets, and then I have these Ellie Edwards. This one's from this year. It's a huge, I wasn't crazy about her collection this year, so I just got the stamp. this is from last year, and I was so bummed because I ordered it and these words do not print out. But I'm going to use the little potion bottle and maybe the hand. I think I'm just going to do the potion bottle. So the other thing I'm doing is I found this one on Ellie. I think it's a Stampin' Up, you guys. I feel bad that I bought it. I try my hardest to just shop, you know, with good intentions on there. And so I kind of feel bad that I did that. But so I stamped this one up. And what I want to do is put it here like this, like as a, I'm thinking, no, I think I'm going to do it down here like this. Potions and spells. There we go. And you could color it. I probably will with some color pencils, but so far I'm going to do it like that. I'm just going to do that. And then I don't know. I really don't have 100% idea when I start stamping. Like I just pull out my inks. These are the ones that I'm playing with, you know. And I kind of want to just go with the vibes and see where it takes me. I know that's really kind of not helpful. I think most people come in with a plan. I don't. I just kind of stamp around and kind of have fun with it. So I'm going to do a little time-lapse video and just kind of see what I come up with, and hopefully you guys just appreciate like my process and maybe gives you ideas on how to create your own or how to use these dies too in different ways where you can use more of your supplies, because I think that's one of the things that sometimes we struggle with is we stick with just the idea of using the die what it's for, but really there's so many different ways to use it, right? Like so many different ways. So let's do a little witch spell book and make this look kind of groovy with my stamps. I wanted to show something, since I've been stamping, I wanted to put this little candle right here. I don't know if you guys can see that here, but I want to show you how I'm going to do that. I'm going to just kind of try to get as much as that stamp, and then I'm going to take my little wet wipe and I'm just going to kind of go in there and kind of get around it and just narrow it down to just the candle itself. And then I'm going to make sure my hand's dry. And then I'm going to go back through and kind of wipe off that excess wetness. And then I'm going to find my little outline there. Oh, that's a little too far. I'm going to see about right there. And I'm just going to... And now I have my little stamp. It's not perfect, but I can take a black marker and or pen and just kind of go in, which I do have one that I picked up at Joann's right as it was closing. They had all their pens on clearance, and or no, they were only like 20 or 25% off. And so it's like this, it's called Graphic, but it's, look, it's so fine. It's like 0.2, so it works perfect for these kind of instances. There we go. And now I have a nice little candle there. That's so cute. I have my little cards here done. I did go in and color the witch green to kind of match the green over here. And now I have my stamped up little cards. And so now it's just to put them together. I really like the way this turned out. I hope that kind of gave you guys an idea of what I do. Just kind of played around with my stamps. There is no like, I wasn't trying to do anything crazy, but this is just a fun flat one, like a flat lay almost. Simple, quick, and a fun way to use my stamps. Or I could just, you know, die cut out my piece and then add this to my October daily. That would be fun. And I can use like, you know, a fun little green and black colored paper, or just black so that the white stands out. So here's just a little book, the page that I cut out from the die set, the layering piece, and I'm just going to glue it down. I'm thinking about stitching around. I think that would be fun. I don't know. We'll see. But I like the way this is going to look with the black and white polka dot kind of going through, because it's tiny polka dot. So I feel like that black and kind of white color, it's almost like a cream color-ish. Not really necessarily white, because I don't feel like that it pops out. But this is a quick and fun way to, obviously, you know, use your stamps and create something. But and you can do this with the Christmas style, like I did, you know, this guy over here, where you just kind of create an idea and just play around. I think Heidi Swap offers classes on her website. You could also YouTube, you know, people that do stamping on here. So many great ladies that make cards that kind of can give you an idea, like, what is it, Stampin' Up? But I just like to play around. There's no reason or rhyme to this. You could also punch and add like a fun little embellishment, like charm. Oh, I already messed it up. Look at that. That's going to bug me, but it's okay. You could even distress this. Add extra ink, like with around if you wanted to, and, you know, make this more grungy. I just kind of wanted to do a black and white kind of vibe. I'm going to add this to a scrapbook page or my October daily page, and if I get it done, I will share it at the end. But I think this is really cute. I might even add some coloring on their hats. We'll see. But definitely want to check out ScrapDiva Designs for this fun die set, the Santa book. Oop, I left my other part over there. It comes with all the sets, has a little wish list, a little presents, so it makes for a fun Memorydex. And you could also take just this part and cut across and make little pockets, so you can add tags, like if you want to give somebody a little Memorydex with tags. I think that would be so cute. Definitely come back for some more projects I hope to have done. Check out the hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration. The girls are killing it, and so many great guest designers for this month. Oh my gosh, the cutest stuff, guys. Oh, I can't. I am enjoying my holiday crafty season. And what else was I going to say? Oh, sign up for the mailer so you guys get direct links to the girls and what's happening, and if there's new if stuff sells out, you'll get updates so that you can make sure you know when stuff's back in stock. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys will come back for some more videos soon. Bye.